So we made it to our Airbnb for the weekend. We're gonna be here all weekend, just relaxing for my birthday. That's all I really want, is to relax and with my one true love. So I'm gonna show y'all a house tour of the apartment. So we got our kitchen, so cute, Got the refrigerator, this oven. Well, baby gonna cook me tonight some food. We don't need no microwave. This sink and this counter is just like, yes. And then we got the island in the middle. Got the living room area. Okay. The dining room over there. Got the dining room. There's only two of us, but looks cute. And then out here we got a view of nothing. But yeah, it don't matter. And let's see. Over here, oh, nope, it's locked. Okay. Here we got the bathroom. Where I'm gonna be laying down tonight, taking a good little bath. Whatever this is. We have the laundry. We got the bedroom. And it's just sleeping, tired, being lazy. Little shit, like I don't know what the fuck she is, but she look fucking cute, like slay bitch. Yes, laying down like she don't care. And fucking says no smoking. Good thing we don't smoke, cause that's just nasty. Let's see out here, we got a little balcony. A little balcony area going around, so cute. It's cute on whatever. And this is our view. It's pretty much nothing, but we really don't care because we're just here to relax, just basically relaxing for the weekend. No, we just wanted to escape for the weekend. What better escape for it to be on my birthday weekend? So we're just gonna be really just chilling. That's pretty much all I know that we're gonna be able to do. Just chill. I think we're going to the pool later on tonight. I know we gotta go grocery shopping because I'm just gonna cook some food tonight. Tomorrow is my actual birthday. And tomorrow I'm going to have a birthday dinner with my family. So I think I'm gonna record that. Yeah, just give some content and post videos. Let's see. Oh, and tomorrow we're going. My baby's taking me to the club, so we're going to the club tomorrow. And I think that's pretty much it. I really didn't ask for a big giant shit on my birthday. So all I really am doing is just like chilling and relaxing and not doing much. But this is what I want. And that's really all I want, is just relax. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. And I'm gonna be bringing y'all with us if anything happens today or whatnot. I will record. I'll have my camera on hand all times. So I will see y'all later. So we made it back to the house. We went to the pet store. I will input some clips from what happened at the pet store. We might be getting a friend. But I'm gonna start editing, putting the video up from yesterday. Put that up right.
I think he's broken. What the hell? He's broken. Say hello. Say hello. Hi. Where's the camera? Hi. Say hi. Say hi.
He fell asleep on me. Oh, he sees himself. Like, who's that?
What's he like?
He's winking. His eyes open and that one's closed.
He winking at himself?
Yes, he is.
Oh my god.
He's
I want
so
one.
personable.
I want one.
And then this video will go up tomorrow. Tomorrow is my birthday, so we got a few hours before my birthday. And I'll be 23. Baby over here slaying in the kitchen, making me a good little dinner. Let's see what baby gonna make. So we got some shrimp. We got some steak. Okay, we finna eat good. Then we got some salmon. What you finna make, baby? Huh? Don't worry about it. It's a surprise. Alright, so if I die, I know who killed me. But we finna, chill. We got our drinks ready, getting our night started. What is that, you guys? It is currently 12 o'clock. It is my birthday. Yes, I am 23 years old. Baby still slaying in the kitchen. We're just getting lit, turning up with the tequila. The shit almost gone. Woo. We got a little close up of what y'all missing. But we in this bitch. Birthday is today. And just living life. Living life. I'm a little tipsy, so I'll just get back with you later. This is dinner. It might be 1 o'clock at night, but thank you, babe. So we're gonna chug down and eat some dinner, and then that's it. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and don't forget to push that notification button. Thank you. Y'all have a great